it's Janice Tark here, and today I want to share with you something which comes from a brand new resource for kindergarten or preschool music students. Now, one of the most important parts of a preschool class is getting them started. Now, there are a lot of different ways to do this, and of course a lot of traditional welcome songs out there. What's most important for a preschool song is that it's instantly repetitive, extremely simple, and it encourages actions which they can do together. Now that's exactly what this lovely little song does. It's called Circle Fun.
Let's join hands and get in a circle, get in a circle, get in a circle. Let's join hands and get in
And it's got 3 or 4 variations you can use if you feel that your children are up to it. Now the first one is just, let's join hands and get in a circle. And at the start, you might just do that a couple of times. Then, over the weeks or over the days, you might do clap your hands, the second verse. So, if you're in the boat where you're teaching preschool, I highly recommend that you check out our new preschool music lesson plans resource by clicking the link below. So if you're not subscribed to our weekly emails, well, make sure you do head over to funmusiccompanyresources.com, because I will make sure that you get an email each and every single week and be some of the first people to see it.